Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this video, chances are your Ideapad screen is cracked. This can happen due to accidental drops, pressure on the screen, or even temperature changes. If left unrepaired, a cracked screen can lead to further damage, such as malfunctioning touch sensitivity or even internal damage to the display components. Let's get started on fixing it. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement LCD cover. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, begin by shutting down your Ideapad and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the device. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover. Start from one corner and gently work your way around the edges. Take your time to avoid breaking any clips. After the back cover is removed, you can locate the cracked LCD cover. It should be clearly visible. Next, disconnect any cables attached to the LCD screen. Use your tweezers for this step, as it can be tricky. Now, remove the screws securing the LCD to the frame. Make a note of their positions as they may be different sizes. Gently lift the LCD out of its compartment. Place the new LCD cover in the same position as the old one and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cables carefully, ensuring they are firmly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is secured and connected, carefully replace the back cover of the Ideapad, making sure all clips are in place. Finally, reinsert the screws to secure the back cover. Now, power on your device and check to see if the new screen is functioning correctly. For future reference, to avoid cracking your screen again, consider using a protective case or a screen protector. Also, be mindful of where you place your laptop to prevent accidental drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.